Hi everyone, good morning to all of you. Hopefully, all are fine. I'm also doing well by the mercy of Allah. And in this video, I would like to say something about my all around side. And dear friends, actually, nowadays I can't make any blog video because when I spend some time at the time I make video like blog video and reels video and short video, but not long video make. Okay, so as you can see in our behind side, only crops like mustard crop, because this is the winter season. That is why in our local area maximum crops in mustard crops. And this field actually very big field in our local area. So in our behind side, all around side only for mustard, and some another crops like potato. And you can see this is the potato, and this potato actually our potato crops, so not another crop. Actually this is our crops like potato. And potato also I like potato. And potato also very good for health, sometime bad, like. And mustard crops like made mustard oil. And mustard oil actually famous oil in our country, like South Indian another oil use, like in Assam actually very famous mustard oil. And South Indian peoples use like coconut oil use, like Kerala, Tamil Nadu is the coconut oil use, but Assam use mustard oil use. And dear friends, so on the other hand, actually mustard oil use for like when spicy food making, at the time mustard oil use. And in our body like massage, so that time use mustard oil. And dear friends, and as you can see in our behind side on hill and our maximum video, I noticed that this hill. And you know, I every single day I make video for this place, because I don't go any different place nowadays because my work problem. So that is why I couldn't go any place. But when I free time, I will go like different place, and I will make video for good video. And actually dear friends, I make video for in our local area, and in this village our maximum video I make. Okay, so dear friends, thank you, bye bye.